One of the biggest gaps in Indian small arms has been our inability to develop a semi-automatic pistol. But at SSS Defence, you finally got an answer to replacing our age-old 9x19 semi-automatic pistol, the FN Herstal version that the ordnance factories have been producing for half a century. That's time that pistol has seen its life end, and today we're seeing SSS Defence with a new Glock style 9x19 pistol, the G72P. And I have with me here Rishi, who's the designer of this pistol. Rishi, welcome to Chakra News. Sir, beautiful looking pistol. Tell me what I'm looking at.
Sir, actually this is inspired by Glock.
Right.
So 9mm. So actually the old Glock having a different style.
Right.
So now we are looking good style and good look.
Right.
So the aesthetic is more important for us.
Right.
So we are improving the aesthetics and the functional operation also.
Right.
Okay. So here in the Glock doesn't have that ambidextrous slide catch.
Right. Right.
Okay.
You have an ambidextrous
yeah,
slide
ambidextrous
catch.
slide catch.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
In ambidextrous.
Right.
Right and left.
Okay.
It's a user ability.
Right.
It's a user interference. So and also like magazine, you are able to assemble for that both. So which means 18 rounds magazine and 15 rounds magazine also.
Right. Right.
So
It's
here
a-
one
it's
pocket
a
is there.
double stack.
Yes. Here one pocket is there. You can
Right.
accommodate both magazines.
Right. Right.
Okay. So it's the operational condition. It's very useful for us.
Right.
So that's why.
Could you strip the
Yeah,
pistol
yeah,
and
yeah.
show me what it looks like on the inside? Ah, interesting. So it's a polymer body.
Yes. Actually,
Polymer
this
frame?
is polymer body. So inside the metal piece is the right. This is called the chassis.
Right.
So chassis having the working mechanism
Yeah.
and working parts. So it doesn't have that effect in the frame.
Right. Right.
So during function.
Yeah.
So like that we have designed that. So most important part is trigger bar and the trigger systems.
Right.
So and this barrel is 4-inch barrel
Yeah.
and recoil system also is our own system.
Right.
And the barrel system is 4-inch barrel. So this is also our in-house product. So the
Right.
full weapon is our in-house.
Yeah.
In-house product.
Completely
Yes,
designed
yes.
by SSS Defence.
Yes,
How long did it
completely
take you to design this?
So actually we are looking more weapons for the reference.
Right.
So which we are comfort,
Yeah.
which we are okay with and we are looking after usability, user friendly
Right.
mechanisms. So we built our own concept and own mechanisms.
What is your own concept? And when it comes to a
Yes.
pistol for
I'm telling
Indian
you.
users?
Yeah, I'm telling you. So actually this mechanism, the ambidextrous, it doesn't
Yeah.
have, right? That one. So this is own mechanism, own concept. And this safety, Glock doesn't have that mechanical safety, applied
ambidextrous,
safety.
yes.
Applied safety.
Right.
So this is having a applied safety. So whenever the clock is, wait, sir, I'll assemble that. Okay. So when the operation is rest, so this is safe mode.
It's a safe mode. Right. So Glock doesn't, of course, have
Yes.
the mechanical safety. It's only got a trigger safety.
Yeah, trigger safety. That is called a mechanical safety.
Right.
It's not applied safety. So this is
Right.
this is having the applied safety.
Right. And what are the other ways that you've improved this over the Glock? I mean, what are the other improvements that you see?
Other improvements we have looking for that the magazine catch also will ambidextrous. So next
Right.
variation will come.
An ambidextrous
Yeah, ambidextrous magazine catch.
So is this version 1 of the pistol? Is it
Yeah,
version 2?
it's a version 2.
Version 2 of the
Yeah.
pistol. So I seen a version 1 in the
Yeah,
SSS
version 1. Yeah,
plant,
version 1
I
is
think
there in plant. Yes.
early version of the 9x19.
Yes.
And weight, what is the weight of this pistol?
Weight almost it comes 780 grams.
780 grams, right? And you said it's what? 16 rounds.
17 rounds.
17. One in
yes.
the chamber and 16 in the mag.
Yes.
Right. Perfect.
The
And-
magazine having that indication.
Right.
17 rounds is there.
Ah, right. Okay. So I see that little helpful thing here with all the magazine rounds. So there you have it. The G72P, which is the new 9x19 pistol. It's a Glock killer from SSS Defence, and
course.
it's designers like Rishi who've designed this pistol. How old are you, Rishi? I must ask you this.
I'm right now 27.
27 years. There you have it. Rishi, 27 years old from Bengaluru.
Ah.
From Bengaluru. He's one of the designers of this G72 pistol. Hopefully, you're going to see a lot of these pistols in police, paramilitary, and of course the
Yeah.
Indian Armed Forces.
Future, yes.
Right? How does it make you feel?
What's that?
How do you feel when you know that you're
Actually, I'm very happy. Actually, this weapon and 9x19 SMG weapon also is there.
Right.
Submission
That's
gun.
also yours?
Yeah, that's also.
right? So he's so it's small arms designers like Rishi who do a lot of the heavy lifting in SSS Defence. You don't see a lot of them, but they're the guys who quietly working behind the scenes. Bringing out these beautifully made small arms pistols, assault rifles, sniper rifles in SSS Defence. Thank you,
Thank you.
Rishi. Wish you all the very best.
Thanks.